Hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy, or welcome back to Budget with Lizzy. Today we're stuffing our final paycheck of August, and it was on August 31st. So we're stuffing a total of $753, which entails $438 in cash and $275 in fun money. So if that's something you would like to see, stay tuned, and here we go. So we have our fun money, and we're gonna count out our $438 from the bank. And my little envelope here. So 50s makes me nervous. 1, 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 83. 50, 70, 90, 100, 4, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So 438. So how are you guys doing? I hope you guys checked out my unstuffing of my $100 envelope challenge. It was very fun to do. I can't wait to start it again for the new year. And like I said, I wish it was mine, but it belongs to the credit card people. So we have our $438 and our $275 in fun money, and we're gonna do our wallet first. I don't have much left this week. As you can see, well, this time of the year is one of my favorite times of the year because I'm a Halloween fanatic. I love scary movies and seeing people in costumes. There's only one thing I don't like, and that is clowns. Sorry, I'm gonna fix the camera a little. I hate clowns. That's the only thing I don't like about Halloween. But I'm a scary movie fanatic, so I'm enjoying myself right now watching all these scary stuff. So I had $5 left in my spending, so we're gonna add it to our rollover binder. So I have $5, so that'll make this 64. And all this is gonna be added up and stuffed to my sinking funds. Hopefully next video. So eating out had nothing, household nothing, miscellaneous nothing. Groceries has $10 left. So I'm gonna put it in our groceries envelope. So on 8/31, add in $10, which has grocery at 90. And then we're gonna stuff our envelope again. It's gonna be the same thing as usual. We're gonna put 20 in spending and eating out. So spending gets, I'm only talking about Halloween because I have on my Halloween nails today. I love all that pretty orange and yellow colors. Eating out is getting 20. Household is getting a 5. Miscellaneous, a 5. Groceries is getting 30. 20 and a 10. Somehow I spent my $2 that I had for my prescription for some reason. And then giving is getting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Giving gets 5. And now I have to take out $2 from my prescription envelope. Sinking funds again to add to this. So that's it for our wallet. I don't think I have any coins. Do I? Oh, I do. $2 coins. Vending machine. So I add that to my coin container. And why does it feel stuffed? That's it for my wallet. So we're gonna put that to the side. And we're gonna stuff our automatic savings. So our 10,000 challenge is getting 200. So it now has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have 1,000. You know that I keep removing it and paying credit card. So this is 831. 1,000. And our emergency fund is getting 50 as usual. So it now has 3,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $3,800. So, oops. 831. So we have 3,800. And then our $25 challenge is getting another 25. So we now have $1,050. So how do I keep picking that up? So that's it for our automatic savings. Then the first thing we're stuffing on our challenges is the $1,000 challenge, which we're completing today. So I completed 2 challenges this week, which I'm too excited about. Not sure what I'm going to do with the money yet. So today we're adding $85, which is 4 20s, 20, 40, 60, 80, and a 5. So 80 and 5. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 9, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 1,000. So this is now complete. 85, 1,000 challenge complete. So we have 511 in the bank, so we should have 489 in cash here. Let's see if I'm right. Can't be 489. Let's see what I have in cash. One, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 4, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. 495. So where am I? Of course, I can't count. 495 plus 511. So I will have $1,006. I have an extra $6. Once I put this in, it will be $1,006 in the bank. So once I update the end of month, we'll do snapshots. So all this fun money is gonna go back to the folder, and this needs to go to the bank. So my $1,000 challenge is complete. I'm going to do something new next paycheck. So oops, the 52-week challenge decided to go to the back now. So we're doing $52. 1, 2, 52 is going here, and we'll be adding the money backwards now. So we added 50. Oh, yeah, 52, and the balance is on this. So we have 120 plus 52 is 172. It's gonna be weird, but we'll see. Or should I put 52 here? We'll see. But I'm going this way. 831. So that's it for 52-week challenge. Mystery challenge. Oh, last monthly color challenge is getting a 120, which is going to cover April. So we're adding the 120, and that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. We'll color these at the end so we can know that we did complete it. Then our pay date challenge is getting $31, which is August. So we're getting 20, 30, and 31. So August payday challenge is complete. And then next month we'll be moving to September and trying to complete some of the ones from the beginning of the year. Then our $600 challenge is getting $25. A 20 and a 5. And then next week we'll do the 30. Let's see. We'll do the 30. Hopefully. And then our final favorite thing to do is our mystery challenge. And last week we scratched 2. 1 and 2. This one said broke is a temporary condition, poor is a state of mind. So that's getting 20. And the next one I scratched, it said pick the amount. So I picked another 20. So that's a total of $40. So we still $40 this week. And let's see what we're going to scratch today. This one has 2. And let's see what this says. So we have 20. And 5. So that's 25. And let's see if we can go for another one. And this says, balancing your money. Another error. Balancing your money is the key to having enough. Let's see what this one says. It's not working for money. It's about having money work for you. So, it says spend $50. Oh, Suki. It's telling me to spend $50 from here. But I don't want to spend $50. I'm going to no spend. So instead of spending the $50, we're going to stuff 50. So now we're going to do $50, $70, $75. No spending, no spending. So instead of spending, we're going to stuff $50. So 75 for next paycheck. Oop, front. That was kind of cool. It would have been nice if I wanted to spend or would like to spend 50, but I'm on a no spend kick, so no spend is no spend. So we're gonna stuff 50 instead of spending 50. Oh, it's kind of cool. So that's it for Mystery Challenge, and that's it for our stuffing today. I hope you guys enjoy. It was kind of short, I guess, and everything was done. So I finished my $1,000 challenge. Now we're gonna decide what we're gonna do with the money. I may just spend it on myself because I've been neglecting me all year, and maybe I'll treat myself to a spa or something. We'll see. I'll let you guys know. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and like the video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.